5, Jamaican porridge. Number 5, banana or plantain porridge. Honestly, barely made the list. If I didn't know that some of y'all plantainites were gonna slide, I would have left it off. Cash are probably over it, you know, but it is what it is. Number 4, oats porridge. And you have to do it the Jamaican way. Be a condensed milk. Condensation all over. Number 3, hominy corn porridge. Generally speaking, anything with corn good. You know, except if corn upon your tour. But hominy corn porridge. Number 2, cornmeal porridge. High key, that's the most clutch porridge you can make. No matter what time of the year, no matter what time of the weather, cornmeal porridge comes clutch. And number 1, numero uno, peanut porridge. What more can I say? What more can I say? Like, you know, peanut porridge. And if you disagree with my ranking, you're not Jamaican. Might as well collect a green card from a white mumpy.